Sir Ron, Race Turbo for first-time car buyer. Is it still gonna be a good buy for 2025? Might be buying this coming second week of January but still undecided. Thank you. Sige, tara pag-usapan natin. So, the Race Turbo is the highest variant, no, top of the line ng Toyota Race, and it's currently priced at 1,068,000, around that price range. So with that price point, can we say that it's gonna be worth it? Sige, tara, himayin ko lang yung mga pros and cons niya. So basically, what makes it special, especially with its other variants, is unang-una na dyan is meron siyang paddle shifter. So that's very cool. I don't think merong ganun with the other competitors. I think siya lang meron nun compared to other segments. So that's really good to have, especially for those who really love those spirited driving, no? Still you have that manual feeling to downshift every time you need that like boost sa pagdadrive. The other thing siguro is yung leather steering wheel niya, a much larger 9 inches infotainment display, which is kagaya na siya ng Toyota Veloz, no, in a lot of ways dun sa interior niya, which is that's really good. Meron siyang blind spot monitoring, which is also useful here in the Philippines. Backup camera with sonar spa to detect those who are passing by, rear traffic alert kumbaga. Hill start assist control, which is very useful pag na-timingan tayo sa mga start-stop uphill situations. And then I also love that it has auto retract or power folding side mirrors. That's a non-negotiable feature for me. And then lastly, yung kanyang leather seats or synthetic leather seats. Not to mention din pala that the Race Turbo is the one to get if you really like the turquoise blue color. So overall, para sa akin lang, with that kind of price, masabi ko namang worth it talaga yun. Especially no, that Toyota, reliable. But the cons lang niya talaga is, mga naririnig ko or mga nababasa ko is, pagka madami kang sakay sa likuran is medyo tumitingala siya. So if that's a factor for you, lagi kang may kasama, and that's gonna be a big factor. But if ikaw lang or mag-isa ka lang or may kasama ka lang lagi, dalawa lang kayo most of the time, then it's gonna be a great variant for a Race, especially the blue color. So for those who want to know more about the Toyota Race Turbo and its all other variants, and maybe you want to check some competitors as well with the segment, go ahead to my channel, watch my playlist. Sana nakatulong, follow for more.